This YouTube channel has only posted 174 short videos and already gained 124,000 subscribers.
What?
174 videos?
Are you serious?
That sounds like so much, but hold on. There are tons of YouTube channels out there making hundreds or even thousands of videos and barely getting 100 subscribers. This guy, with just 174 videos, not only reached 124,000 subscribers, but also got 6 million views and earns a steady $5,000 a month in passive income.
He's a genius.
And in this video, I'll show you how you can create 174 short videos in just one day using ChatGPT and Zebracat AI. Let me quickly explain just how powerful these types of short videos can be. The best part is that you can upload these videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, or anywhere else, and they will get high views too.
Wow.
This means you can earn money from multiple platforms. Just make the video once and upload it to different places to earn from each platform. Even better, these videos will keep making money as new people find and watch them.
I'm rich. I'm rich.
Don't think you need to work all day or every day to get this result. You only need about 15 minutes to create a video.
That's it? Yeah, that's it.
And even if you don't have any editing skills, you can still easily make a video using an AI tool. Now, let me show you how to do this.
Let's jump right in.
The creator makes long-form videos about Stoicism by combining AI voices, AI images, captions, and background music.
It's really simple.
First, I'm going to come up with ideas for the first 50 short videos. To do this, I'll use ChatGPT. I'll ask it, give me 10 interesting Stoicism content ideas for YouTube long videos. You can ask for more ideas if you like, but I'm starting with 10 to see if ChatGPT understands what I'm looking for. If it does, I can ask for even more ideas later. As I hit enter, you'll see that ChatGPT has provided me with 10 Stoicism content ideas. Now you can use these to create short videos. Now we need a script for the short video. Today, I won't be using ChatGPT for the script. Instead, I'll use a new tool called Zebracat AI. Zebracat AI is an all-in-one AI tool that provides powerful features like text-to-video, blog-to-video, content idea-to-video, AI avatars, voice cloning, and text-to-speech, among many others. I've added the link to Zebracat AI in the description below, so you can go straight to the site. Make sure to check it out. You can start using Zebracat AI for free, but if you're serious about creating viral content and turning it into a source of income,
I'm serious.
don't wait. Sign up using the link, and you'll be taken directly to the dashboard to get started. Once you're there, click Create Video to start your project. Step 1. Choose your visual style. Now, the first thing you need to do is select your visual style. This step sets the overall vibe of your video. Zebracat offers several options, but let me keep it simple for you. AI image. With this option, you can generate a single AI-created image in one of 78 different visual styles. AI avatar with AI image. This option lets you combine an AI avatar with AI-generated imagery. You get a talking avatar alongside the visual style of your choice. If you want even more options, like infinite zoom effects or just stock footage, feel free to explore. For this video, I'm going with AI and stock footage because it adds a nice mix of personality and visuals.
Good choice.
Once you've picked your style, hit next step. Step 2. Select your workflow. Now it's time to decide how you'll create the video. Zebracat offers 4 workflows. Script to video. Perfect if you already have your script ready to go. Prompt to video. Just type in a short idea and Zebracat will generate a video for you. For this tutorial, I'll go with prompt to video because I already have idea about Stoicism. If you want to explore other workflows, like turning a URL or audio into a video, those options are also super easy to use. It's time to paste your content idea. For example, I'll input. Create a video about how to stay calm in a chaotic world. Stoic strategies for modern life. Step 3. Configure your video settings. Now, it's time to set up the details that will shape your video. These settings are crucial because they make your video look polished and professional. Let's go through them one by one. Turn on character consistency. The first thing we'll do is toggle on character consistency. This feature ensures that the avatar or visuals representing our narrator stay consistent throughout the video.
Why is this so important?
Because it helps create a sense of continuity, making your content look professional and cohesive. Turning this on keeps our narrator looking the same in every scene. Just click the toggle, and we're good to go. Choose the video ratio. Since we want to create a long-form video similar to the ones on this channel, we'll go with 16:9 landscape.
Why?
Because landscape videos work best on YouTube, they give a cinematic feel and use the entire screen. Set the video length. Since we're creating a long-form video, we'll aim for around 2 to 5 minutes. Why this length? It's long enough to dive deep into the topic and share meaningful strategies. Plus, on YouTube, videos over 4 minutes perform better for retention and monetization opportunities. To set the duration, simply drag the slider or input the desired length. Keep in mind that Zebracat will break this into manageable scenes to keep your audience engaged. Choose voiceover and language.
This is my favorite part.
Zebracat has a huge library of AI voices, so you'll definitely find one that fits your tone. Just click select once you're happy with your choice. Turn on captions. Why? Because a large percentage of people watch videos without sound, especially on mobile devices. Captions ensure that everyone can follow along, no matter how they're watching. Choose video mood by selecting background music. Music is key. It helps create the emotional tone of your video and keeps your audience engaged. Since we're talking about stoicism and staying calm, I'll go with an inspiring track to set the right tone for our video. All I need to do is select the mood, something like inspiring, and the AI takes care of the rest. Set up the brand kit. Adding branding is a great way to make your videos stand out and stay memorable. It's especially important if you're building a channel around a specific niche, like stoicism, as it helps create trust and recognition with your audience. If you want to add branding, Zebracat makes it super easy. You can click on one of the pre-prepared brand kits or create your own by uploading a logo, selecting a color palette, and adding your channel or business name. However, for this tutorial, I'll skip the branding step for now to keep things simple. But if you're serious about building a recognizable brand, I highly recommend setting this up later. It's worth it. Now that we've configured all the settings, our video is set up for success. Let's hit next up to move forward. Here's where Zebracat's AI works its magic.
It's magical.
It will generate 3 script options for you to choose from based on your idea. Each script is unique, offering different tones and styles to suit your topic. Take your time to review the scripts. Once you find the one that resonates best with your vision, you can either select it as is or make small edits directly in the script editor. Once your script is ready and you're happy with it, hit Generate Video. Now, Zebracat's AI will start building your video, matching your script with relevant visuals, voiceovers, and background music. This process usually takes just a few moments.
So sit back, relax,
and let the AI handle the heavy lifting. Once the video is generated, you'll be able to preview it. This is your chance to check if the visuals align with your script, the voiceover sounds natural, and the overall tone matches your vision. If everything looks good, great. If not, don't worry. Zebracat's editor lets you tweak anything from visuals and text to music and timing.
Thank God.
Let's take a look at the video and make it perfect. Step 4, preview and edit. This is your chance to tweak any part of the video that doesn't feel quite right. Visuals. If the visuals in a scene don't match your script or theme, just click on the footage in the editor. From here, Zebracat gives you a few options. Search for alternative clips. Browse through Zebracat's extensive stock library to find something that better fits your script. For example, if your scene is about a calm lake but shows a forest, just type lake into the search bar and select a new clip. Generate AI video. If you're using AI visuals and the current generated footage doesn't feel quite right, you can regenerate it with a new prompt. Simply click Regenerate AI Footage, refine your prompt if needed, and let Zebracat create something new for you. Upload your own footage. Click on Upload Footage and select a file from your device. This is a great option if you have custom content or specific branding in mind. These tools make it super easy to tailor every scene to your exact vision, so your video looks exactly how you want it to. Edit the script. Found a better way to phrase something? No problem. Click on the text in any scene and rewrite it. Change the voiceover. If the current voice doesn't fit the tone of your video, click on the voiceover options. Zebracat offers a variety of voices and tones to choose from. Preview them by clicking the speaker icon, and once you find one you like, apply it to the entire video or just specific scenes. Customize captions. Captions are an essential tool for boosting engagement and accessibility. Whether your audience is watching without sound or you want to highlight important points, well-designed captions can make all the difference. Choose your caption style. You have two great options to start with. Pre-made caption templates. These templates are optimized for engagement and follow trending styles, making them a great choice for quick and impactful results. Custom captions. If you want your captions to reflect your unique style or branding, Zebracat lets you create captions from scratch. For this tutorial, I'll go with custom captions so we can explore the full range of customization options. Font and style. The font you choose sets the tone for your video. Professional look. A clean, modern font like Roboto works well for educational or informative videos, like the one we're creating on Stoicism. Playful or casual. If you're making something lighthearted, try a more rounded or handwritten style font. Here's how to select your font. Navigate to the caption settings in the editor. Choose from the list of fonts available and preview how they look directly on your video. Text color and background. The color of your captions is crucial for readability. High contrast colors. Use colors like yellow text on a black background. This ensures captions remain visible, even on busy or colorful footage. Brand colors. If you have specific brand colors, use those to maintain consistency across all your videos. Here's how to customize. Go to the text color and background color options in the captions menu. Pick your text and background colors from the palette. Pro tip: test your captions against various scenes in your video to ensure they're readable across different visuals. Size and position. The size and placement of your captions should enhance your video, not distract from it. Size. Make the captions large enough to read on mobile devices, but not so big that they cover key visuals. Position. The bottom of the screen is the best spot for captions. It keeps them visible without interfering with your content. Here's how to adjust. Use the size arrow to make the text smaller or larger. Drag and drop the captions to position them where you want. Most creators stick with a bottom center placement for maximum clarity. Update music. Music plays a huge role in setting the mood of your video. If the default track doesn't match the tone you're going for, here's what you can do. Browse the library. Click on the music section to explore Zebracat's library of copyright-free tracks. You can filter by mood, calm, energetic, inspiring, or dramatic to find the perfect fit. Preview and select. Play a few tracks to see how they sound with your video. Once you find the right one, select it. Adjust volume. Lower the music volume to ensure it complements the voiceover rather than overpowering it. A good balance between music and narration keeps the audience focused. Add animations and emojis. To make your video more engaging and dynamic, consider adding animations and emojis. Animations. Add smooth transitions or zoom effects to make your visuals more interesting. For example, a subtle zoom in on a serene landscape can enhance the calm mood of a Stoicism video. Emojis. Sprinkle in emojis to emphasize key points or add a bit of personality to your video. For instance, a herb emoji could highlight a point about nature's calmness. But remember,
Less is more.
use emojis sparingly to maintain a professional vibe. Finalizing your video. Once you've made all your edits, it's time for a final review.
Finally.
Watch the video from start to finish. Check that the visuals align with the script and tone. Ensure the voiceover is clear, captions are accurate, and the music sets the right mood. If everything looks perfect, it's time to download your video. Click Export. Choose the resolution, 1080p for the best quality, and save it to your device. Tips for publishing. Your video is now ready to be shared with the world. Whether you're uploading to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or another platform, make sure to use an engaging title and description. Add relevant tags to help your audience find your content. Share your video consistently to grow your audience. And there you have it. Together, we've created a professional-looking YouTube short step by step. If you ever feel stuck, remember to take it slow and have fun, because creating videos is all about sharing your story in your own unique way. If you're just starting out, keep in mind that the free plan allows you to create and download up to 4 videos a month, although these will include a watermark. If you want to remove the watermark, upgrading to a paid plan is the way to go. If you have any questions or run into any issues while creating your videos, don't worry, Zebracat's AI chatbot is here to guide you. It can answer most of your questions in just a couple of seconds. And if you encounter a technical issue that the chatbot can't resolve, it will automatically report the problem to the tech team, who will step in and assist you directly. Turning your ideas into viral videos has truly never been easier. If you're ready to explore all the features Zebracat AI has to offer, try it out today. And if you're curious about how to create an entire YouTube channel using AI, check out the detailed tutorial linked in the description or on the screen.